Ah, crap. Well, I thought I was videoing. Maybe not. Now I'm videoing. I am doing, this is squash. I'm pureeing squash. I cooked it in my crock pot. And now I'm going to take this pureed squash. I'm going to add some cornbread and bread, cream of chicken soup, a couple of eggs, and I'm going to put it in my pan and put it in the oven and cook it. You're going to have squash dressing. So y'all just wait and let's see what we get. All right. I've got my cornbread. This came from the grocery store. Actually, it came from our church. It was a free pickup. Every Monday, if you live in Douglasville and you need free bread, Midway United Methodist Church has free bread. And I thought, hey, this will make some great dressing. Well, it's sweet. So I'm going to make it anyway. Normally dressing is not made with sweet cornbread. But I need dinner and I don't have any way to go get regular cornbread. So let's just see what happens. Watching it. Okay, we're going to take my cornbread. We're just going to dump it in. That's about a half of a loaf pan size that you get. And then I got biscuits that were on the pickup. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to use about 2 or 3 of these biscuits. So, yeah, that's going to be. And then I'll put my cream of chicken soup in. A couple of eggs. I've got a little bit of sage. I can't find my sage bottle because my house is in chaos because I'm having it remodeled. So I'll put what sage I did find in there. All right, we'll be back with you in a second. Okay, you see I've got my biscuit here. I started crumbling them up in here. If you don't have biscuits, you can use any kind of bread. Seeded bread, maybe not so much. Brown bread will work, wheat bread. Just crumble it all up. And I do have some cream of chicken soup. And I do have a can of broth that I'm going to add to this. It's by eyeball. There's no certain amounts. You want more cornbread, you add more cornbread. You want more dressing, more biscuit, you add more biscuit. It's up to you how you make your dressing. So, alright, let me get the sage. Alright, this is the sage that I have. I grew this sage, I think last year, maybe year before last, but it's been in a tight bag so it's still good. I'm going to use that. Okay, so I added the little sage that I had, but I also said, Lord, let me find some more sage or poultry seasoning. Well, I went in the living room and I said, Lord, let me find it. He said, look on the left side where it's all piled up. And I did, and there it is, poultry seasoning. So I'm going to shake some of that in there. It's to your taste. I probably added a couple of tablespoonfuls or teaspoons. I don't know. I just poured some. I love sage. I love poultry seasoning. So I have sage.